Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a server in Discord on your Android device. Discord is a popular platform for chatting and gaming with friends and communities. Let's get started. To create a server, open the Discord app on your Android device. Tap the plus icon on the left side of the screen. You will then have the option to choose Create My Own, or select a template that suits your needs. For this tutorial, let's choose For Me and My Friends. Next, name your server, and add an icon to personalize it. This step is optional but can make your server more recognizable and fun. Once you're happy with your choices, tap Create Server to finalize the setup, and there you have it. Your new server is ready to go. You can now invite friends, customize channels, and start chatting and sharing with your community. Discord is a great way to stay connected and have fun with others. So enjoy exploring all the features it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy server creating.